Hello everyone, welcome to me introducing my new car, which is right there behind me. Sorry about the noise if you're hearing it, can't do too much about it all. That is my new BMW 650i. I thought I'd come to somewhere different to introduce this car, and I'm kind of happy that I came here. This is actually a really nice view. I apologize if it's really windy at all or anything like that, but let me show you guys around my car basically. So obviously it's not a brand new car, it is a used car. It's a 650i which has the E63 engine, if I remember correctly, which is running around 365 brake horsepower. Quickly, just letting you guys know, these are E63 or Snitcher, I don't even know how to pronounce it. Alloys basically on there. So they're really wide. I think it's like 295s at the back. Yeah, 295s at the back. And what is it? Is it 245s or 235s at the front? I can't remember now. But that's the exterior of the car with the alloys, and it's also got the front lip just there done to it. It does have a lot of stone chips at the front. I'll explain that in a short minute. But here you go. So that's the front splitter on the car. It's also been lowered on eye-back springs and Bilstein shocks. Brand new, it's literally only a few months old, which is really nice for me. So I think now would be a good time for us to jump into the car and let me show you guys around the interior. So as you can see, it's the black leather with the dark wood trim, and it's got the CCC iDrive system, but it's a professional one with the navigation, so it is a slightly wider screen. It's got heated seats, as you can see just there, parking distance as well with everything going up on the screen, but that's not working right now. One of the sensors is down, but I've got another one in the glove box to replace that with. It's got the infamous cup holder, which everyone kind of ripped into this car before because some of them don't actually have that, but it's a good one that this one does have because it's actually really secure. You'd be surprised just how good this cup holder is. And if you look here, this might give away a little bit about the car. So this car is actually gas converted, which makes driving it really cheap. So at the moment, if I do a motorway run, I'm getting about 30 miles per gallon on average. I tested that out over a 220 mile run, and with the gas price right now, it's at 53 pence per litre, which means with the tank that it's got a 90 litre tank. I'll be able to get over 500 miles for £45 out of a 4.8 litre V8, and it sounds really good. I'll show you guys a noise clip in a second. The other thing that this car has is, as you can see above me, it's not a sunroof, it's the panoramic roof, which I absolutely love. I think it just feels so nice and open in the car. As you can see, the amount of light coming through, you guys can see me nice and clearly. It's really nice and comfortable in here, but it doesn't really let a huge amount of wind noise in or anything like that. It keeps it still really quiet. So it's nice. It's a good compromise between having a convertible versus having a coupe. You know, you still get all the light coming through. But yeah, now I think let me go show you guys the boot actually, to show you what the actual gas tank looks like. So that's the boot of the car basically. As you can kind of see, behind there is where the LPG gas system has been installed, and it's very clean. You got a massive boot still, enough for a couple of luggages. Obviously it would have been bigger without the gas tank there, but I'm happy to make that sacrifice. And the other great thing about the car, the gas tank filler is literally just there, so it's so nice and easy. It keeps it obviously looking nice and pristine and flush from the outside. You don't have any spots around the bodywork or anything like that where it's been cut out to fit that in. And I'll show you guys the engine bay. I think someone's getting married or something. This noise has been going on for a while. There you go. There it is. That's the V8 right there. So you can see the solenoids for the LPG system just there, and that's literally all you can see. And there's a little bit of a solenoid just there, if I'm correct. But other than those on those sides and that, you can't tell the difference. In fact, if I showed this as a picture right now to someone, they probably wouldn't be able to tell that this has been gas converted. So that's something really nice about the car. It's been really well maintained. As you can see from how clean it is. I did go and get it washed. In fact, I'll rewind back to that in a little bit. But yeah, that's the engine bay. Now, I just love the way this car looks. I absolutely love it. I think it looks even bigger when it's in silver. It just looks like the bonnet of it is so long. I have a massive thing for the Mercedes AMG SLS, and this is like a very, very nice reminder of that car. But let me show you guys some sound clips. How good does that sound? Oh man, and that's with the stock exhaust as well. And I do plan to get the exhaust done to this car. I'm not sure if I'm just gonna go for a back box delete or if I am gonna go for a muffler delete. I mean, not a muffler delete, that's the same thing, an X-pipe delete. But it honestly drives so smooth, so nice. There's a couple of bits and pieces that I need to fix in it. So as I've already mentioned, I need to fix the parking sensor. I think there is a little bit of an oil leak on the car as well, which I need to get it looked into. I've also noticed it has a really slow startup at times, so that's another thing I need to look again. But other than that, that's basically it. There was a really weird thing that happened with the front left tire went flat, but then I took it to a shop. They tried looking for where the flat was like leaking or anything like that, and they couldn't find anything. There's Bay getting the tire check. Automatic tires, my boys. They spent ages, literally absolutely the most boring. I was gonna record it, but it was the most boring thing to watch because right now I might actually look at going and getting the car washed, because you know it's a nice day. But yeah, you know when you get your tires looked at, or when you get the tires changed and stuff like that, and then the dirty water, they put it all in and everything, and it just makes it all look disgusting. Lord is looking out for me. There you go. I've actually got a free wash this time. Yeah, buddy. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's actually quite dirty. Quick little before footage. Right, that's pretty dirty in there. But as you guys will know, it's gonna look clean in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's all cleaned up there. Just come here. Come here, you. Got a little guest joining me today. She's so cute. Okay, see that bit there? Remember that bit I was on about how greasy and dirty, and that's what was all in there. One quick swipe of that whole area, that came out. That's nasty. A couple of the features that I love about the car, obviously it's got automatic headlights, which makes things really easy, nice and comfortable to live with. I do like the fact that it does have navigation and everything like that. I love the fact that it's got the widescreen, but the system is slow. It's not very responsive, especially considering I have had newer cars than this already. For example, my old leased Audi A4, which was a 2016 model, if I remember correctly. So that was an amazing car, and it had so many gadgets and everything like that done to it already, because it was a sports range, and yeah, it just had everything going for it. This car, it's got 140, well, it's nearly at 149,000 miles now, so you know, it's got the miles going up on it. But I will do a nice in-depth tour around the car and explain to you guys why I bought the car in another video. This was just me showing you guys this car real quickly while I carry on doing a few other things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick look at my new BMW 650i. Subscribe if you want to see more content from me and more about how I'm going to modify this car and other things I'm going to do to upkeep and maintain it. And also subscribe to see more stuff about my E30 and possibly about my Skyline as well, depending on how things go about that one. But for now, I'm going to sign out, guys. So see you guys in the next videos. Peace out. Catch you later.